It's recording. All right, we're inside the Walmart restroom. There's this thing. It says $1. Doesn't say what it's selling. We're gonna find out. Nearby is, I don't know what the hell that is, and a baby changing station. So either this thing or the $1 contains diapers. We're assuming the $1 thing is condoms, or I don't know why it's so wide. Maybe they're selling us tampons as a joke. Liam, put the quarters in. You pull it. You got quarters.
I got a quarter.
A quarter. You got 1 quarter back.
Hey, what's up?
What is it? What is it?
Oh, I can't see. So I put in 4 quarters to get 1 back?
You want to try it again?
Ow.
I got 1 quarter.
I don't know what it's supposed to be.
Wait, reach your hand in and see if you can feel anything.
My hand's too fat. Wait, I can feel like the quarter. Hey.
There's a quarter?
Can I get my quarter back? I don't know what this is.
Sure it's not a condom? Okay, so I have 1 quarter and you now have 1 quarter. You have 2 more quarters.
Yes.
Alright, well let's try it again. There's only 3.
Wait. I think I have another one. But. Hey.
What is this supposed to sell?
It's I think it's diaper changing stuff.
So okay, so I was right.
So you put in 4 quarters and get 1 back.
Each time, yeah. And we got nothing.
I don't know, I never trusted that to tell you the truth.
Yeah, you were curious. It says $1 quarters only, and it didn't say what it was.
Diaper changing stuff.